Hello, technology enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of smartphones, specifically the innovative features and design of the upcoming device. Firstly, let's talk about the processor. Under the hood, this smartphone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Pro, a chipset that ensures smooth performance and fast processing speed. Next up is the operating system. This device will be equipped with Nothing OS 2.5, an Android-based operating system optimized for speed and usability. Now, let's move on to the camera department. 50MP main and ultra-wide cameras, ensuring you capture every moment in stunning detail. The front camera is a 32MP lens, providing high-quality selfies and video calls. Moving on to the display, boasts a 10-bit flexible AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 1500 nits for an immersive viewing experience. It also supports a high refresh rate of up to 120 Hz for smoother scrolling and gaming experiences. In terms of battery life, this device packs a massive 5000 mAh battery that can provide up to 29 hours of continuous video playback, perfect for long journeys or binge-watching sessions. Comes with fast charging capabilities up to 15 W, ensuring you can quickly top up your battery when on the go. So there you have it, folks. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and informative. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates and reviews. Until next time, stay tech savvy.